Forget giving out your personal number just to join a dating app because now you don't have to. Welcome to the world of virtual numbers where your privacy stays intact and getting on Bumble is easy. So let's see how you can get a virtual number and enjoy the fun of dating. Step 1. Head over to KrispCall.com. It's your go-to hub for virtual numbers from over 100 countries. Sign up and enjoy a free number from the US, Canada, or the UK. Pick your preferred number and complete a quick verification process, and you're all set. Now that you've got your virtual number, it's time to get Bumble. Head to the App Store or Play Store, whether you're an iOS or Android user, and download it. It's free. Once the app is installed, open it up. Choose to sign up with a phone number but not your real one. Enter that virtual number from KrispCall you just brought instead. Afterward, check your KrispCall dashboard for the verification code sent to your virtual number. Finally, enter this code into the Bumble app to verify your account. If the SMS doesn't arrive, Bumble will call your number directly in the KrispCall app to verify your account. KrispCall does not restrict SMS or calls to your number. The delivery of OTP codes is entirely handled by the Bumble app. And just like that, you're all set. Your Bumble account is live, and your personal number is safe. With KrispCall, creating an account is as simple as swiping right. Effortless, private, and all yours. Start your Bumble journey with a KrispCall virtual number and enjoy the fun of dating without compromising your privacy. Contact our chat support for more information.